Welcome to Wimberly, a brand new community coming to Willow Spring, just minutes away from everywhere that you want to be. You're 5 minutes from downtown Angier, close to Fuquay-Varina, and just 35 minutes from downtown Raleigh, with quick access to major routes like I-40 and 540 for an easy commute in any direction. This scenic neighborhood features over 300 home sites with modern 2-story single-family floor plan designs, options for downstairs bedrooms, flex rooms, and loft spaces, plus high-speed internet and cable TV are included in the HOA for significant savings. You'll also be included in the great Wake County School District. Nature is right outside your door. Jack Marley Park is just 3 minutes away, along with walking trails, playgrounds, and many more parks just a short drive down the road. And when it's time to unwind, you're convenient to everything you need. The shops at Holly Springs, Fuquay's Gold Leaf Crossing with Target, local restaurants, breweries, coffee shops, and plenty of entertainment. Back home, enjoy a community clubhouse with a fitness center and pool, dog park, disc golf, playground, and pocket parks with open green spaces in the neighborhood. So what are you waiting for? Join the VIP interest list so that you can be the first to receive community updates and important information on our grand opening. The model homes are expected to complete in the spring, which will be the perfect time to buy a new home and move in before the school year starts. This gives you time to secure purchasing power, work with our financing team without a rush, and choose the best home site and home for your needs. Be among the first to buy and save with homes ready at the grand opening and special financing rates available. We can't wait to meet you at Wimberly and show you why this community is so special.